President Emmerson Mnangagwa's recent remarks during his state visit to Ghana have drawn criticism, with observers dismissing his speech as heavy on rhetoric but light on tangible outcomes for ordinary citizens. Sadabenda Mashobra watching Mnangagwa shows face of Messiah in Ghana while tormenting citizens at home. And was subscribe or like on the bell icon. ZVAITWA speaking during an official engagement hosted by John Mahama, Mnangagwa urged African nations to take control of their own narratives and development paths. The importance of telling our stories as Africans through our own lenses and narratives must continue to be emphasized, he said. However, critics argue that such statements have become repetitive and fail to address pressing economic and governance challenges back home. While the president highlighted historical ties between Zimbabwe and Ghana dating back to the liberation struggle, some analysts question the relevance of repeatedly invoking the past. Zimbabwe is forever indebted to Ghana, Mnangagwa said, praising the country's support during the liberation war. Yet detractors say dwelling on history does little to resolve current economic hardships. These historical references are important, but they are often used to deflect from present failures, a political commentator noted. Mnangagwa also pointed to cooperation in sectors such as health, education, and the judiciary, citing contributions by Ghanaian professionals over the years. Still, critics argue that Zimbabwe's public institutions remain under strain. Despite such collaborations, there is a clear gap between what is being said and what citizens are experiencing on the ground, one observer said. His call to expand trade and economic ties under the African Continental Free Trade Area was also met with skepticism. Let us take advantage of the opportunities created by African Continental Free Trade Area to further boost cooperation across all key sectors of our economy, he said. Doma developments are kuda pangwa ine vanhu vasiri kufara ne all these trips these individuals avanoita, but kuti ichizodzoka to our country hapana any benefit yatinowana. Pita comment section medu zvafungiro enyu muri kudipa pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Musana subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.